everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Yeah, it's New Year's Eve. 2022 is almost out. In this moment, I just want to take the time to wish you all the best for 2023. Won't be perfect, no way, no how, but all we have to do is keep our heads up, shoulders back, stay positive, and keep going. So we're gonna get to this no-sew pillow project that I want to show you in this video. Maybe it can be your first little home decor project for 2023, because all you need is your fabric, a pair of scissors, a square, measuring tape, ruler, and of course your insert for the pillow. For the design of the pillow cover that I'll be showing you, I had to add inches to the sides of the pillow cover when I cut it. By the way, I have a video online to show you how to cut the perfect pillow cover, and so I link it for you so you can have a look. I should mention that I have double panels here, and yeah, this fabric that I have, it's hard to tell the wrong side from the right side, so it doesn't matter much here to me. However, if you are using a piece of fabric that you can see the sides distinctly, you will want to keep your wrong sides together. You should be looking at the right side of the fabric, okay? So I'll go ahead and measure off 18 by 15. And I added 4 inches on each side. So I'll just mark off where my 4 inches are here. And I'm using Taylor's chalk so I can easily just rub it out after I'm done. Okay, so I have my 18 by 15 inch box. The next thing I am going to do is start making cuts along the edges. You can just eye it. It doesn't have to be the exact every time. So I'm just going to go ahead and eye it. And I'm cutting all the way from the edge to the line. Okay, so now the next step is to start taking these and tying them together, the front and the back. So you tie them twice. Tie. And tie again. And yeah, you can get help to tie them all because it's a few ties. There we go. And now we'll finish tying off the tabs. That's my no-sew pillow for you, my friends. An easy one to get done. I am always very happy to share new ideas with you. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, and yeah, please leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button. There's a lot more to come in 2023. Remember also to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next one.